Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin WEMIX currently trading above $1. We're currently having a really rally in the altcoin market. WEMIX is up 202% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week alone, this altcoin is up 61.4%. But if we go on a yearly time frame, this altcoin is still down 82.9%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. How high can WEMIX go in this relief rally? Where we're going to get rejected as we continue pumping to higher prices. We're also looking at WEMIX performance against good Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at WEMIX market cap, which currently sits around $273 million. How high can WEMIX market cap rally? Can we see it rally above the $550 million region where we got rejected in November 2022? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. We started 2023 on a very bright note. Altcoins have been pumping to the moon, which is a huge contrast from the dump to gobbling town we saw in 2022. WEMIX is still down 82.9% in the last 1 year. But we're starting 2023 on a bright note for the altcoin market. WEMIX has been pumping, and right now it's still up even 28% at the point of recording this video. This is the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We saw WEMIX get to an all-time high in November of 2021 of $24.49. Since November 2021, this altcoin has dumped to gobbling town, getting back to as low as $0.14. We saw WEMIX go from as high as $24.4, losing 99.42% of its value in around 380 days. Altcoins are very volatile in the bear market, and WEMIX has showed us just why we should be careful with altcoins in the bear market. But before all these altcoins start dumping to gobbling town, what do? They pump to the moon. In the case of WEMIX, from the 21st of July 2021, we saw this altcoin rallying up by more than 16,000% in just 123 days. The $1,000 invested in WEMIX in the 21st of July 2021 would have returned more than $160,000 on the 21st of November 2021. But right now, WEMIX is going through its first full crypto bear market. It has dumped to gobbling town just like every other altcoin. We're currently having a relief rally. We have seen WEMIX bounce off the lows, the $0.41 level it got to in December 2022. WEMIX is back above $1. We saw it rally up more than 600% in the last 59 days. The $1,000,000 question is, how high can WEMIX continue pumping in this relief rally? Is the bottom in for WEMIX in the bear market? Should we start opinion expecting WEMIX to continue pumping to new all-time highs? Guys, the first level you should pay attention to for WEMIX in this bear market, the $0.14 level. Where we bottom, there's always going to be that possibility till the end of the bear market that we might see WEMIX turn on itself, coming back to test that $0.14 level. But as we continue pumping to higher prices, other levels should pay attention where we might see WEMIX face some heavy resistance to the upside. Will include first the $1.2 level. We're currently approaching that level right now. We might see WEMIX face some headwinds around that price point. We saw WEMIX get a bounce around that $1.2 level in September 2021, and that bounce led us to new all-time highs. But guys, before WEMIX get to that $3 level, the $2.7 level is going to be a very critical level for WEMIX. The only time we have passed above the $2.7 level since May 2022 has just been for a brief moment in August 2022, and WEMIX got rejected at that $2.75 level. Guys, in a relief rally, expect the market to go up in higher prices, but I'm not expecting anything crazy like new all-time highs. For WEMIX, from the $0.14 level, for us to go back to the previous all-time high, that will require WEMIX to pump more than a 16% increase. For us to get to that $2.75 region, WEMIX will have pumped more than 1,800%. For an altcoin in the bear market, that's a huge pump to the upside. So from the $1 level to the $2.75 level, we might see WEMIX face headwinds right there. That might be where the rally might come to an end and we might start dumping to gobbling town. But I'll not be shocked to see WEMIX go above $2. It's very, very possible. But if you take a look at what WEMIX has been doing in the bear market, the first phase of the bear market, we saw it dump around 94% from May 2022 after WEMIX gave us that little rally that went from as low as $1.3 to as high as $4.5. WEMIX did the second leg of the dump where it lost another 96% of its value. If you take a look at WEMIX details in the last 1 year, we've seen it gone to as low as $0.12 to as high as $8.25. Currently has a market cap of $276 million, a fully diluted market cap of over $1 billion out of a total supply of 963 million coins. We have over 251 million WEMIX coins in circulation. WEMIX is ranked 220 on CoinMarketCap. Over 46,000 people have WEMIX on their watch list. And guys, if you're buying some WEMIX right now in the bear market, if you're a long-term investor getting ready for the next bull run, if you're quietly accumulating as we're going through this bear market phase, you want to remember, you don't want to go all in. All coins can be very, very volatile. All coins can easily dump to gobbling town. In the case of WEMIX, you don't want to just go all in, because guys, if you go all in and WEMIX come back to test the $0.14 level, you won't have any capital to buy when we get to those lower prices. So the smart move to do in the bear market is to dollar cost average. The bear market is where millionaires are made. In the bear market is where you get your next 10x, 20x, even your next 100x coin. If you're buying some WEMIX right now, for it to go back to the previous all-time high, you will see a 22x return on investment. Remember guys, this is not financial advice. Remember, cryptocurrencies are very, very risky. You can lose a lot of money, but at the same time, you can get a lot of money buying these altcoins and holding them. And if you want to get some WEMIX in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you believe you're going to hold WEMIX through the chaos till we see it pumping above the $24 level, blasting to as high as $100 by the end of the next bull run, you can get some WEMIX coins on Qcoin, on Gate.io, on Wobi Global, on Bybit, on Probit Global, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, take a look at WEMIX performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've been seeing it dump to gobbling town. Rightly so, we saw it pumping to the moon in the bull market. In the bull market, WEMIX outperformed Bitcoin by over 9,600%. And right now in the bear market, we are seeing it dump to gobbling town. It has lost over 98% of its value. That's expected with all coins in the bear market. Guys, anything that goes up very, very quickly in the markets always will come down very, very quickly. And it might take a longer period of time that it took to go up than it will take to come down. In the case of WEMIX, we saw it give us all this magical pump in just a 105-day span, but right now we have been dumping to gobbling town for more than 305 days. Same situation is happening for WEMIX against Ethereum. Guys, in the bear market, a lot of Pancake participants have seen their altcoins pump to the moon, and there you see them flipping their Bitcoin and their Ethereum for more altcoins. But as we start dumping to gobbling town, you will see them start flipping those altcoins back to Bitcoin, back to Ethereum, because in the bear market, there's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when people are afraid, they start running towards safety, and safety for us in the crypto market is Bitcoin and it's also Ethereum. If you take a look at WEMIX market cap, currently at $268 million, we saw the market cap drop to an all-time low of $34 million. This was in December 2022, but WEMIX have currently rallied up to above $268 million. We might see the market cap face some resistance, heavy resistance at that $589 million region. We've seen WEMIX get rejected at that level 2 different times, in May 2022, also in November 2022. And from where we're currently trading right now, WEMIX will have to rally up 133% for us to get to that $590 million region that we have gotten rejected twice. So will third time be the champ? Can we rally up to as high as $1 billion before the end of the rally? Guys, always remember, there's always a possibility WEMIX might dump to gobbling town. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.